Hi class, this is your instructor Dory Sexton, and congratulations on making it to week 2. It's really a rough time when people have to start a class in the middle of the semester and give up time. This class should literally take you less than an hour a week, so it's really not that time consuming. You basically have to read and then write, and no text and no quizzes. So when you open up our class, you start in the announcement screen, and you should see some announcements you've already seen before. And then now week 2 has just been posted. Normally I'll try to get those out earlier. But when you go into week 1, well, let's do week 2, I'm sorry, week 2, you're going to see that we have two sections here. This is your business documents. That's a folder. That means there are things in this link that you need to know about. And when you do that, you're going to see here that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 documents. And what that means is you click on each one and it will open for you, and you will see what you need to work on and read. Actually, I did that wrong. There we go. Okay, so here's your introduction to week 2, and it's discussing business documents and different types of business supervisors. There's leaders and then there's supervisors. So when you read that, you're going to learn and understand what is part of that. Here is reference materials, and then the rest are straight documents, and you can tell that by looking at these links. There's a picture of a paper. Now, proofreading tips is actually a link to the internet, and when you open it, you're actually in the internet. So that's kind of cool. I like to kind of mix it up a bit to make it more interesting. Now, when you go back to the screen, here, this one, when you see the pencil and the ruler, that's where you submit your assignment. So if you open up, you'll see the document, and it's going to tell you what you need to do and work with. And also what you do then is submit it in the top one here. Now this is very important, and it's a common misunderstanding when you're submitting your assignment. You have 2 ways to do that. Here it is, assignment submission. I suggest you write in this text box, and then it acts just like a Word document. You can edit it with the ABC spell checker, which I highly recommend, because this is a class teaching you how to be a professional working in an office. So you really need to use your spell checker, and you really need to read your work before you submit it. And then if you don't want to submit in Write Submission, you have a choice of working with a Word document or even Google, and then browse your computer to upload it and send it to me. The comments box is where you write me personal notes, like a sticky. It would say, Dory, I really like this part of assignment 2, or I didn't like this, or something that you want to leave as a note to me that's not part of the assignment. Again, do not submit your assignments in this comments box. If you do, you're going to lose 5 points every time. And at some point, I won't even be able to grade it because it will look like one long sentence. See, it's not like this where you can have like a Word document. It's just going to come out as one long line, and I can't grade that. It's almost impossible. So this is how you get through week 1 and week 2. And then we'll have some other options coming up. If you have any questions, please do email me, but I may have to tell you to watch the document audio video or read the directions again. So before you submit anything, please make sure you have tried everything in how to understand the process of this class. Again, start with announcements and then go to week 2. Okay, I will answer questions though if you do have them. And I know I haven't graded any of the assignments yet because week 1 is really rough. There's a lot of emails coming in. I'm going to start grading this afternoon, and I hope you all have a good Sunday too. Thanks. Bye.